Hi, everybody, and welcome to another tutorial with Mr. Petrimo. This one is very short and quick. This is how to turn your Google Slides into a PDF document. So I have my Google Slideshow, the Snow Leopard, open in front of you. All you have to do is go to that File button, and under Download, one of your options is PDF document, and it's that easy. Click the PDF document, and it will download your PDF. And once it's finished downloading, I can open up my PDF and I can navigate through this slideshow, but this time as a PDF document. So now I can post that on Google Classroom for materials after I'm done teaching my lesson or whatever else you want to do with it. The nice thing about turning slideshows into PDF documents is all of these links are now clickable. Sometimes we have difficulty with getting clickable links in our Google Slides that we share around. So this is an easy, quick way around it. Just download it as a PDF and post it that way. All right, thanks a lot and have a good day.